Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CHF struggles near weekly lows, below mid-0.9000s ahead of US data. http ntvforex.com News ID 2BF2876 minutes ago by Haresh Menghani. USD CHF met with some fresh supply on Friday amid sustained selling around the USD. The risk-on mood, surging US bond yields failed to impress bulls or extend any support. Investors now eye second-tier US economic data for some short-term trading impetus. The USD-CHF pair maintained its offered tone through the mid-European session and was last seen hovering near the lower end of its daily trading range, around the 0.9030 region. Following the previous day's good two-way price moves, the pair came under some renewed selling pressure on Friday and broke through a one-week-old consolidative range. The heavily offered tone surrounding the US dollar was seen as one of the key factors that dragged the pair back closer to multi-year lows set earlier this August. The Fed Chair Jerome Powell, in his keynote speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium, said that the Fed is willing to allow inflation to overshoot the 2% target for some time in order to compensate years of undershooting. The comments raised speculations that the Fed could keep rates lower for longer, which, in turn, weighed heavily on the greenback. Meanwhile, the USD bulls seemed rather unimpressed and failed to gain any respite from a strong pickup in the US Treasury bond yields. Even the prevalent risk-on mood, which tends to undermine the Swiss franc's safe haven demand, did little to extend any support, albeit might turn out to be the only factor that might help limit the downside for the major. Hence, any subsequent fall might continue to attract some dip buying near the key 0.9000 psychological mark. This makes it prudent to wait for some strong follow-through selling below the mentioned support before positioning for any further near-term depreciating move. Market participants now look forward to the second-tier US data for some impetus on the last day of the week. The U.S. economic docket features the release of the core PCE price index, Chicago PMI, and revised Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Technical levels to watch. USD CHF overview today. Last price 0.9031 today. Daily change 0.0059 today. Daily change percent 0.65 today. Daily open 0.909 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 0.911 daily SMA 50 0.9273 daily SMA 100 0.9462 daily SMA 200 0.9596 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 0.9124 previous daily low 0.9036 previous weekly high 0.9162 previous weekly low 0.901 previous monthly high 0.9494 previous monthly low 0.9056 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.909 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.907 daily pivot point S1 0.9043 daily pivot point S2 0.8996 daily pivot point S3 0.8956 daily pivot point R1 0.9131 daily pivot point R2 0.9171 daily pivot point R3 0.9218 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.